Probability: drawing 2 blue marbles without replacement. Problem: a bag contains 3 red, 5 blue and 4 green marbles. 2 marbles are drawn without replacement. What is the probability that both marbles are blue? Let's break it down step by step so it actually makes sense. Step 1. Probability the first marble is blue. A bag of marbles has 3 red marbles, 5 blue marbles and 4 green marbles. That's a total of 12 marbles. Probability for an event is equal to the number of favorable outcomes divided by the total number of possible outcomes. The favorable outcomes here are the blue marbles. So we have 5 blue marbles, meaning the number of favorable outcomes is 5. The total number of possible outcomes is the total number of marbles, which is 12. So the probability that the first marble is blue is number of blue marbles divided by total number of marbles is equal to 5 divided by 12, because 5 out of the 12 marbles are blue. Step 2. Probability the second marble is blue without replacement. Now here's the important part. We are drawing without replacement, which means the first marble does not go back into the bag. If the first marble was blue, then the bag now has 3 red marbles, 4 blue marbles left, 4 green marbles. So the total number of marbles left is 11. Again, the number of favorable outcomes is the number of blue marbles, which is now 4. The total number of possible outcomes is 11, because any of the 11 marbles could be drawn. The total number of marbles changes because we are not replacing the first marble. So the probability that the second marble is also blue is number of blue marbles left divided by total number of marbles left is equal to 4 divided by 11. Final step 3. Multiply to find the probability both marbles are blue. To find the probability that both marbles are blue, we multiply the two probabilities. So the probability for both blue marbles is 5 divided by 12. 5 divided by 12 is the probability the first marble is blue. Multiply 4 divided by 11. 4 divided by 11 is the probability the second marble is blue. Multiply the numerators. 5 times 4 is equal to 20. Multiply the denominators. 12 times 11 is equal to 132. So we get 20 divided by 132. Now simplify. 5 divided by 33. So the probability of drawing 2 blue marbles without replacement is 5 divided by 33. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want more math videos, like and subscribe.